Hey guys, I am Carice and you are back with me in my kitchen to do another dish that loved by many Jamaican, especially the men them. In today's dish, I am going to do Dr. Fish steam in coconut milk and okra, a lot of okra. Yes guys, okra. So this is my Dr. Fish, scale, wash and core ahead of time. As you can see, I love to core my fish. That's where I put in the powder seasoning. Although I don't use a lot of powder seasoning no guys. So this is the fish seasoning that I'm going to use. That's the only season I'm going to use in my dish today. Fish seasoning, earth seasoning, tomato, carrot, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. I have a little piece of ginger beet in there. So these earth seasoning was prepared and washed ahead of time. Okra, a lot of okra for just 2 fish. Thyme as usual. My coconut milk. I'm gonna use garlic salt. Pumpkin yellow and pretty. I love a good pumpkin, trust me. Yellow and pretty. And that's the Dr. Fish. I'm gonna show you how big these Dr. Fish is, guys. I'm gonna just measure one to my hands. Let you see something. It's gonna cover the palm of my hands. Look at that. Look at that. You can't see my hand. You see how big this is? The food that we're going to have with our Dr. Fish is pumpkin, cauliflower, Irish potato, rye plantain. I'm gonna boil that rye plantain, and you know we can't leave out flour dumpling and flour. So yes guys, this is what I'm going to prepare today. So stay with me. This is our food guys that we are having with our steamed fish. So guys, you don't have to preheat your pot to put in your fish. So I'm pouring in the coconut milk in my pot. Then I'm gonna put in my earth seasoning. I'm gonna cook that down in the coconut milk before I put in my fish. I don't want my fish to cook out, so I'm gonna cook up all my earth seasoning before I put in my fish. Putting in my okra. That's a lot of okra, guys. A whole lot of okra. Then I'm gonna put in my pumpkin. I'm gonna cover the pot and let that simmer a little. Let it half cook, then I put in my fish because I don't want it to mash up. I don't want everything to mash out. I just want it to half cook, and then I'm gonna put my fish in. So guys, I am checking in with my food pot. Look at that, guys. The fish is ready to go in now. So my earth seasoning is half cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put my fish in. So guys, as I tell you, fish seasoning is the only season I'm gonna use on my fish. So I'm gonna put a little inside the belly of the fish. And I'm gonna rub some where it core. I'm gonna put a little inside. Then I'm gonna use a little garlic salt. As I tell you, garlic salt is what I'm using today. And I'm gonna put a little garlic salt where I core the fish, and I'm gonna put some on the inside of the fish. See how these Dr. Fish are big? Oh my God. So the fish is seasoning on the inside out. Where I core it, I rub some seasoning there, and I put some in the belly of the fish. So I'm gonna put the fish in the pot now. There goes our Dr. Fish, steaming down in coconut milk, a lot of okra and earth seasoning. So I'm gonna cover my pot now and allow this to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it, guys, our Dr. Fish steamed down in coconut milk. Today we are having this with some ground provision, and the vegetable is broccoli.